Hello everyone, welcome to Mech episode. In today's video, we will see about how to design a spring. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon. Here, click the new part and click OK. After that, select front plane and click sketch and select a line and draw a straight line. After that, exit, select smart dimension. Give the smart dimension length is 500 mm. Now sketch is fully constrained. Now exit the sketch. After that, again select front plane and click sketch. Now select the circle and draw a circle. After that, give the dimension 35 mm. And give the distance from this line 50 mm. Give this length is 10 mm. Now the sketch is fully defined. Now exit the sketch. After that, go to features and select swept boss base. Now select the profile, circle. After that, select the path. Select the straight line. After that, select options. Here, profile twist, specify twist value. After that, twist contract, select revolution and give this number of revolution 7. Now we got the results. After that, select edit appearance for adding some color or material. I'm selecting this one and click OK. And thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe.